These Kurdish fighters are holding on to very important ground. Known as Peshmerga, they say ISIS attacks them every day, sometimes by driving huge truck bombs into their defences.
This is probably the most contested piece of territory in all of northern Iraq at the moment, because from this position, the Peshmerga have effectively cut off ISIS from being resupplied across the border in Syria.
An ISIS outpost is just 800 yards away. For the Kurds, taking and holding this crossroad is a key objective in their strategy of surrounding and choking off Mosul, the ISIS stronghold in northern Iraq. And it's another sign of the huge progress the Kurds have made in rolling back territory ISIS initially conquered so easily.
So we had to drive them out of this entire region.
The head of Kurdistan Security Council says the Peshmerga have taken back almost all the ground they can until the new retrained Iraqi army is ready to take the field.
There are some limitations of how far we can go, because we don't want to create any political sensitivities with the Arabs. And for the rest of the region, we need cooperation and the Iraqi army to participate.
Much of the territory reclaimed by Kurdish forces has been scarred dramatically by war. Homes flattened, villages wiped out.
ISIS blew up some of these homes as they retreated. Others they rigged with explosives to detonate when people returned. Locals say 4 people were killed here when they opened the front door.
Across this recent battlefield, people have started returning to what's left of their homes, even as the war against ISIS still rages, only a short distance away. Phil Black, CNN, near Mosul, northern Iraq.